Welcome to Adobe Firefly training course where we will explore some of the most amazing AI features that this application or this website offers that's even better than all the other applications and much simpler to use than Midjourney and other applications comparatively. So here we are going to explore some of the amazing features like generate video with AI, text to image generation, Firefly boards, text to avatars, translation into any language, and much more. And since we all know that AI improves day by day, so by the time you're watching this video, there might be some other features introduced too. My name is Saad and I'll be leading you throughout this course. I've been working in the creative and tech training field for over a decade now, and I'm really excited to walk you completely step by step so that you can get the best out of this tool. It's very simple to use and it's very beginner friendly as well. You don't need any kind of fancy designing skills to use it. Plus, it's built on Adobe ethical AI principles, so all the content it generates is safe for commercial use as well. So let's get started and let's see some of the amazing functions that this tool offers.